There is a good thing and not so good thing, I would say. So, which one do you want to know first?
चले
चल रहे हैं. The highest point of Rajasthan.
The highest point in Rajasthan is Guru Shikhar, a peak in the Arbuda Mountains near Mount Abu, with an elevation of 1,722 meters,
Interesting.
5,650 feet. It is the highest point of the Aravalli range and is named after a guru, believed to be an incarnation of Lord Vishnu.
Let's go.
चले
चले.
चले.
चले. Guru Shikhar. Shikhar means peak. Peak, highest point. They were inviting eat here.
की
Eat here. Now the road has become kharab somehow after Oria village. Around 1 kilometer after Oria village and we are on oranges. I couldn't see.
Guys, just look at this nature and be shocked, be surprised.
The private vehicles are not allowed beyond this point because they have their Air Force radars here. So this is the parking for the Guru Shikhar temple. Okay, and we have reached the temple.
Wow, babe, look at the mist, how was it was going, babe, we couldn't see that.
Right. Do you want to see Chingu?
Yes, I am so much curious to see just Chingu. From the beginning, they are just telling us Chingu, 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 Chingu. Chingu, no. Chingu, look,
Chingu देख लो.
देख लो.
Chingu देखना है? Chingu देख लो.
Chingu, दीदी, Chingu देख लो.
Rajasthan highest Maggie.
Can you hear?
Hey guys, guess what? There is a good thing and not so good thing, I would say. So, which one do you want to know first?
Good thing?
Of course, the good thing, I think. Yeah. Okay. So the good thing is, guess what? We have reached the highest point in Rajasthan. This is the highest point in Rajasthan,
Right.
situated in Mount Abu Guru Shikhar Peak.
Right.
And by the way, Mount Abu is the only hill station in Rajasthan. So let me show you around. This is
On
the
the way, you will just see lakes, forest area, lakes, forest area, lakes, forest area, and you will enjoy the silence, guys. So much of silence. So let's go. So guys, ready for the
bad thing.
also?
Bad thing. Not so good thing.
Not so good thing.
All right. I think they have already started guessing what is the bad thing, but
I think they already knew that.
let's
maybe.
open the secret. All righty. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Exactly. This is the highest point of Rajasthan, and this is the point of garbage at the situation at the highest point. Plus there is one bonus thing. I would like to show you a bonus thing also. Wait a moment. And the bonus point is the Zuba Kesri. As you see, can you see? Zuba Kesri was in whole Rajasthan, by the way, but we did not expect this at the highest point, and the way itself was very peaceful,
Right.
full of lakes and excellent. But this breaks our heart. The people who are here, they are not. What are they doing? They are just collecting this garbage and they are burning it every day. So
Right,
again,
right.
it's a smoke
Like
at
we
such
saw
a
that boy.
the little
Needed-
girl.
It was
Girl, yes.
She was doing that.
And when I asked her that, बेटा ये इतना सारा कूड़ा क्यों डाल रहे हो यहाँ पे पहाड़ में? She was like, इसको हम जला देंगे. So
What does it mean?
she will burn it. They will burn it. But again, the smoke will pollute. क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं इस बारे में भी हम, या सिर्फ ये एक
Because the way
वीडियो में ही
also
रह
is the
जाएगा?
way which trucks and all for the garbage can come.
Definitely, there is a road.
Yes, they
There
can
is
easily
a
come.
road here.
It's not at all hard road.
If they can bring all such thing, Maggie's thing, the whole world is here, right? So definitely, yes, the everything is here. Definitely, they can
Yes.
plan the
Collect these
proper disposal of this waste. They can do it. They can just take it down, you know, in their municipal corporation or something. Anyway, we are going to take a little bit of trek here. What you have found here in Mount Abu?
Tamarind.
Tamarind Hindi. You also call. We English we call tamarind.
We in Persian also we call it tamarind.
Tamarind Hindi. So these are the raw ones, and you can buy. As you see that they bring it from the jungle. Even the leaves are still there, and you can just eat it as it is. You don't have to peel it off because they are raw. Thank you. There is no as such trekking here in Mount Abu, but we found a small trek. Yes. Before that we have some, because it's a temple. Lot of shoes, sandals are lying down there, but we will keep our camera off. Yes. We are trying a short trek of like 500 meters. Mata Anusuya temple here. And there is one more temple here. After that, yes. So this is just the trekking point according to the guide. This is the first temple. Okay. After that, there is another trek, temple, and then we go down. And sunset is miraculous here. Super duper sunset is.
Just bird sound. Just nature sound is coming.
This was this temple. Now we are trekking further for Mata Anusuya temple, and then we will go down. Just like a mini trek, Kuchlu. So our cute little trekking is done now. We have reached Mata Anusuya temple. Very tiny temple at the top, and it's already getting dark. So we are not going to spend a lot of time here. Now, here is an adventurous task or an adventurous challenge for you. There is a small path next to this Mata Anusuya temple which will lead you to a hidden spot. Next time when you come here, find that hidden spot, because that hidden spot is so amazing, because it will blow your mind for sure. It's already dark. We are coming back to Mount Abu from that peak, and this is our road.